Good day to everyone. Now this video I want to just let you know, if you have already logged in, you have CRR number, you're registered, your certificate is there, and you wanted to go for the application for the WHO certification CRE points. If you already did your all certificate courses from the WHO World Health Organization regarding which courses are recommended by the RCI to give the CRE points. So how to go for application of that thing and get the certificate of 50 CRE points. So let's go ahead. You have to log in your page like this. Just below your dashboard options, you have to click on online application. Online application, there are 4 points you can see: application form for additional qualification, application form for renewal registration, application form for good standing, application form to accumulate CRE points, WHO free online courses on COVID-19. Now you have to click the option number 4, then you have to submit. Another window will open. So in that window you have to click your CRR number, and same there is a date of registration, which is your initial date of registration. That you have to select the date of registration from the calendar. Let's select from the calendar. After that you have to submit. Then the next page will open, which page is CRR number, your name, your address, pin code, mobile number, everything you can already there. The description of course, category of the course, duration in minutes. A sheet will open in the behind, in the down part. You have to select the 10 courses. If you don't select the 10 courses, then it will not go to your submit mode. Okay, so you have to select the 10 courses which you have already did, and later part you have to upload your all certificates which you select also. Let's select. Then you have to upload in the down part, upload your all tick mark certificate in one PDF. Remember, I think if you mail already in the RCI previously, as per the previous data, one PDF which is contain all your certificates which you select here. So before going to this process, you have to make the PDF which all certificate, so that will be easy for you. Then you have to put the text image like captcha 782. Then after uploading you have to submit. Okay, now the error is there for me is upload file size is more than 1 MB, which is uploaded. I uploaded. Now it's showing, so upload the file size should be below 1 MB. Now what I have to do, I have to compress the PDF file below 1 MB. Otherwise cannot upload. So I have to Google. I can choose one option, reduce your PDF size. Then what I'll do, I'll drag and drop the file here. Then the file will convert to below 1 MB. Now it's already downloaded, which is below 1 MB. Now I can go again to choose file. file uploaded successful. Then you can go to submit. After that, the fee details will open up. 500 rupees you have to pay, and click on pay fee. Then the next window will open. Rehabilitation Council of India. Pay with your HDFC credit card, other bank credit card, HDFC bank debit card, other bank, net banking as well. Now the payment, you can see the transaction successful. Then after that, you will get the application number. Application number is as your WHO CRE, then your CRR number with your details, whatever you. Then you can save PDF, you can print that page, the application details. Okay, now your application is done for WHO CRE points. Complete process, you will get an email in your email ID which is given there to download your 50 CRE point certificate. So that certificate you can use when you are going for the renewal. 50 CRE point certificate, you don't need to put the WHO all certificates. This one certificates we can show as your 50 CRE points. Thank you so much guys. Please subscribe my channel. Any help regarding this or anything, you can comment in my comment box so that I can help you making the new videos for you. I'm happy that I'm helping you. You are commenting me, you are required the informations from me. I'm really happy for that. So please comment, subscribe my channel, share the videos to maximum professionals who are struggling, who are facing problems to subscribe this one, the portal registration. So thank you guys, thank you so much, have a good